Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share my entire Dior Diorama collection with you. I currently own 4 Diorama handbags and I love them so much, so I can't wait to share them with you. But in case you're new here, hello, my name is Marie and I'm so happy that you're here. I make new videos each week, especially about luxury and fashion, so if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I would love to have you back, so please consider hitting the red subscribe button down below for more videos on my channel. But let's start with this video, and let's start with the first Diorama bag I ever got, which is this beautiful medium-sized Diorama bag. And isn't this handbag so gorgeous? I have actually already showed it to you in another video where I compared this handbag to my Chanel boy bag. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description box. But this is just one of my favorite handbags ever and I really enjoy the color. The color name is ONYX and it's this gorgeous grey metallic color and I'm just obsessed with it. I wear it so often and I feel like it's so easy to style. In general, I really enjoy metallic colored handbags, so you will notice if you watch my videos that I love metallics and have a lot of metallic colored handbags. But this is for sure one of my favorites. Actually, my boyfriend gifted me this one and it's the first handbag he ever gifted me, so it is so dear to my heart and definitely one of my forever bags. And it's just amazing, so I really like it. But let's get on to the next one. So guys, next up is my gorgeous small cream white Diorama bag, and here you can see it has champagne gold hardware and it is made out of grain calfskin leather, and due to the fact that it doesn't have the microcanage padding, it is way more bendable, as you can see, but still it's one of my favorite handbags. And I actually filmed my first ever YouTube video with this handbag where I unboxed it, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave it down in the description box too. But this handbag is so amazing and honestly the small size is my favorite size. Here you can see the inside. It is leather, and it has a compartment here and another compartment here, so just like the big Diorama. But I really enjoy this handbag, and as I just mentioned, the small size is just my favorite size, and that's why I actually have 2 handbags in the small size. I really like the medium and the wallet on chain too, but the small size is just the perfect size. The medium is just a tad bit bigger and the wallet on chain is just too small in comparison to this one, so if you need a great bag for everyday use, this is the one to go for. I definitely suggest it. And I also really enjoy the white color. I would have never thought that I'd get so much wear out of a white bag, but this one is definitely my most used handbag when it comes to summer, just because the white color goes with literally anything. And I do also have the white slingback flats, which looks so gorgeous with this handbag, so I definitely wear this one a ton and I love it so much. Next up is my little wallet and chain, and this one has done me so well. I love it so much. You can wear it as a clutch just like this, but you can also wear it with the chain, which I have on the inside. Let me put it out. It has a really thin chain, which is so cool, and you can even take it off. But I really like to wear it with the chain actually, and it's just the most amazing evening bag. So if you are looking for an evening bag, I definitely can't recommend this one enough. If I were you, I'd either go with gold or with silver, depending on which hardware or metals you wear the most. But this one is just so amazing, and because of the microcanage padding, you really don't have to worry about it and enjoy your night. But let me show you on the inside. It has one compartment here and a zippy compartment here, a bigger compartment, and in the back it has some pockets for some cards. And I really like it. If I put my cards on the back and just a lip gloss and my car keys and my house keys, I can fit in my phone. But it is a small bag, so you can't really expect too much. But it honestly is such an amazing bag, and also the price is really good in this. I think it is 1,350 euros, but I'll definitely leave all the prices for all the bags down in the description box so you can check them out. But this one is a great handbag and I think it's just so amazing. I always get so many compliments whenever I wear it, so it definitely is a really eye-catching bag, and I'm just so glad that I picked the gold one because I get so much wear out of it. Last but not least is this gorgeous navy blue small diorama, and as you can see it is blue metallic and it has champagne gold hardware, which I just love the combination of these two. It's just such an amazing bag, and this handbag my boyfriend actually gifted me last Christmas, so I felt very fortunate when I opened the box and I couldn't believe it because I have never seen this handbag before, and it's actually a limited edition, so you can't really get it anymore. But it's just such an amazing handbag, and if you've watched my videos before, you probably know that blue and especially navy is my favorite color. So this one is just so amazing and goes with so many different outfits that I wear regularly. So I really like it, and it does have leather on the inside too, just as the other ones, so that's what I really enjoy about the dioramas in comparison to the boy bags, because the boy bags have fabric inside, but this just ticks all my boxes and is definitely one of my favorite handbags and most worn handbags too. So guys, that's actually already it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos on my channel. I'd love to have you back. And also please comment down below what you think about the diorama bag. Do you like it? And do you have any dioramas yourself? I'd love to know. See you soon.